Here's my grandfather's truck, 351, of course, motor, 96 F-150. Has a dual tanks in it. Rusted, of course, it's Wisconsin. Can you believe those used to be chrome? I can't. Has a topper on it. It was resprayed. It's really bad respray. This is where the bed sides were, right here. That's the original paint. That's junk respray. Bumper is not faring too well. Neither is the tailgate. I mean, topper's okay, I guess. I mean, I like my trucks without toppers, but that's me. The box is shot. Another used to be chrome rim. Besides, worse, it has the inner fender. Oof. Cab corners, of course, are shot because, again, in Wisconsin. It has a bucket. Mine has a bench in it. Mine is also a four-wheel. I mean, two-wheel. This one's four-wheel. Oh well, what can you do? Extended cab. This fender isn't faring too well either. This is the replacement bumper, because if you look on that one, it got a huge dent there. And right in this corner right here. Right there. This one's way nicer because it has a little splitter on the bottom. It doesn't have that much rust either. Rust? No. Chrome. That's how I like it. And this is an aftermarket piece that came off another truck. It used to be chrome, but as you know, it's not no more. This is it. Gross respray once again. Look at that. Junk. Just junk. I might fix that, I don't know. Not really worth it. Like I said, it has a 351 Cleveland in it, so I mean, I don't know. Let me try popping the hood once. Come on. Alright. Here it is. Big old 351. Can do a quick startup. Got the dual intake. Ooh, horsepower. Booster. Let's give her a quick startup. Grab the key. Always need that. Left the wipers on. Here she is. Meep. It's a nice runner, that's for sure. If you want to call it that. Thanks for watching, you guys. This is my grandfather's truck. Mine is soon to come.